23rd of February 1995. Singapore, the trading floor of Barings Bank. A young trader named Nick Leeson locks his office door and disappears. For years, he had hidden losses inside a secret.
You've seen these documentary-style Vox animations all over YouTube, pulling millions of views. And if you're like me, you probably wondered, how on earth are channel owners pumping these out so fast? So I did what you're probably doing right now. I searched YouTube for it, and what I found was a mess. One tutorial wanted me juggling 5 different apps. Another one was over an hour long just for the setup. Somebody wanted me to learn a whole animation software before I could even write my first script. So I built one thing that replaces all of that. One master prompt. You paste it into Claude AI, answer a few questions, it asks you back, and enhance you every single thing that you need. Your topic, your image prompt, your animation prompt, even your full voiceover script. Done. No juggling 5 tools, no hour-long setup, just one prompt and everything you need shows up. And yes, I'm giving you the exact prompt. Comment the word prompt below this video and I'll personally reply with the link. Now let's get into exactly how it works.
To achieve the video you watched from the beginning of this video, then what you're seeing on the screen is what you need to achieve it. You're going to need the Vox animation master prompt, and you're going to need Claude AI, and then you're going to need a voiceover. Here I'm going to be using Minimax for voiceover. Now these are the 3 things you need. Probably there is an automation extension that you need, but the automation extension is not really reliable, so we are going to stick with what we know and to achieve the Vox animation. Now what we are going to do is we're going to come over to Vox animation. Now this particular stuff is very simple. This tutorial is very simple. Like if you watch my videos, I take my time to prepare the PDF myself. I prepare the documents that you're going to use to achieve these things myself. Then I make sure that I keep it, and I also make sure that I make it available for every single person to use. Now what you're going to do is you come over to this Vox animation and then you just copy every single thing. So we are going to come to Claude AI. We are going to be using Claude AI because it has more advanced prompt engineering. So we are going to paste this prompt here, and then we send. So Claude is going to ask us to attach the source material. So what we are going to do is we are going to get the source material. We are going to come back to this particular PDF, Vox animation. We are going to come up, then we are going to come to this engine prompt. We click on it, and then we are going to see this particular PDF. What we are going to do is we are going to download it. We click on it. It is going to open. So the PDF is 8 in number. What we are going to do is we come over here. You can see my mouse hovering on this icon. We click on download. So we just click enter. Then we come over to Claude AI, click on the plus icon. and then we select the source material, and then we write source. So it is going to ask you some question on the niche that you want. So we have crime and documentary, we have history, we have money and power, we have disasters and survival, we have mysteries and the unexplained, technology, sports. So the Vox animation is very good with all this. So let's use number three, money and power. So it brought out some topics, and if you read these topics and you don't really like any of them, you can actually write something that you want. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose one. So let's choose number one. Let's just choose number one. So I'll just type one and send. So it is going to ask me how long do I want the video to be. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to say 30 seconds. So you can create for a minute, 2 minutes, three, five, or you can actually say 10 minutes so that it understands what you want. So I'm going to write 30 seconds. So it has written the script already. Now it is going to be giving you instructions on what you are going to be doing next. Hence, you have this Fox animation prompt, master prompt. You don't really need to do any much. Claude has the prompt already. It will just be telling you, do this, do that, do this. So if you look here, you're going to see it says type voice to generate the 11 laps voiceover or proceed to skip straight to beat. So we are going to type voice so that it will write the voice script for us. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy the prompt, and you can see the voice direction. It says calm, deadpan male narrator. So we are going to use Minimax audio to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, the script, and then I'll paste it here. I've done a video on this AI, this voiceover AI. You can actually choose voices from here. It sounds natural like 11 labs, and it's more economical, it's more cheaper than 11 labs. So I've chosen a voice. You can come here to choose variety of voices to know the one that you're going to use. You can listen to some of them to understand what you want, and then you can just make your choice and proceed with your voiceover generation. So I'll come here, I'll click on generate.
The 23rd of February 1995. Singapore, the trading floor of Barings Bank. A young trader named Nick Leeson locks his office door and disappears. For years, he had hidden losses inside a secret account, number 888.
So this is it. Now I can go ahead and you can look, if you look at my mouse hovering here, you're going to see download. I can go ahead and download the voice over. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll still come back to Claude and read the last instruction. It says when your voiceover is ready, type proceed for the beat breakdown. So I'm going to type proceed. So this is the beat for this particular video that we are creating. The next thing you're going to do is you read the last instruction from Claude. It says type next to generate the image prompt. So we are going to type next. So it has generated the text prompt, and it also says generate all images from the text file. When your images are ready, type next for the video prompt. Now you can actually download this. You can just click on download here to download the text prompt and generate the images. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to generate two images from this prompt. So what I'm going to do is, this is number one and this is number two. So I'm going to just copy the first prompt, and I'm going to come over to Google Flow to generate. So I'm just going to keep it simple. I'll just press the prompt here and click on generate. Okay, it has been generated. Now let's get back to Claude, and then let's copy the second one. Then we hit generate. All right, this is actually very nice. So we are going to work with these two because of time. So when you want to start creating something like this, all you need to do is just copy paste until you're done with the images, and then you come back to Claude, you close here, come back to Claude and type next. So it is going to build a prompt for 10 seconds, and you know that what we wrote is for the stuff we wrote, our script is just 30 seconds. So what we are going to do is we are going to just tell it to adjust the duration to 5 seconds. So it is going to recalibrate the prompt to suit what we want to do. And mind you, this one prompt is enough to do the whole animations. That is how it is for Vox. Now we are going to copy this and come over to here. Then let's animate the first one. We will just drag it here, come here and go to video. Make sure it is on Omni Flash. We leave it at 1, and then we select 6 seconds. Okay, let's select 4 seconds and 6 seconds. Both of them are more closer to 5 seconds. So we are just going to paste the prompt and hit enter. So let's, before we play it, let's generate the next. So we are going to drag the second one here and paste the prompt. So we've successfully generated the two videos, and let's, this is the first one. Let's play. You can see the sound effect of the animation. Let's play again. So this type of video is highly engaging, and if you want to use it to create documentary style videos, this is the best. If you want to use it to create finance type of videos, it's actually the best. Let's play the second one. Let's replay. So you can understand that this is probably going way forward for people that are creating faceless content for their YouTube automation. This type of video is one of the best videos that you can create that is going to get you a whole lot of engagement and views on your channel. Now, I have a gift for you. The gift is how to get unlimited generations with Google Flow. If you want it, I'm not going to post it here. If you want it, just use go to the description and click on the link to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to be dropping how to get that particular thing on that channel. So if you want to be among the people that are going to get unlimited generations to create unlimited videos like this that you're watching, then go ahead and join the Telegram channel. So at the end, we want to generate the thumbnail. So we'll just type next to get the thumbnails for the video that we are creating. So we'll just copy. So you look at it, it says engine complete. Type again to run a new topic or redo states to regenerate any state. So we are not regenerating any state. We'll just copy this prompt. Let's copy it, then we can edit later. Then we'll come back to this place. Best make sure you turn it back to image, remove the ones that are not relevant to the prompt, and okay, let's leave it that this way. Then click on generate. So you can see this is the highly engaging CTR thumbnail. So I hope you guys got value today from this tutorial. If you're new here, let me say it again. Click on the subscribe button and comment where you're watching from, or comment prompt so that I'm going to send you this Vox animation. If you comment prompt, I'm going to send you this Vox animation master prompt so that you can create exactly what I did today. Enjoy the video.
The 23rd of February 1995. Singapore, the trading floor of Barings Bank. A young trader named Nick Leeson locks his office door and disappears. For years, he had hidden losses inside a secret account, number 88888. He gambled on the Nikkei to cover the gap. Then an earthquake hit Kobe and the market collapsed. His losses reached £827 million, more than the bank's entire capital. Barings, founded in 1762, folded within days. Britain's oldest merchant bank was sold for £1.